This guide is to assist you in gaining confidence with your airbrush and to help you develop basic airbrushing techniques that you can put to practical use in your cake decorating designs. Your airbrush, how to assemble. Add colour to the fluid cup and ensure the lid is in place securely. Gently pull back on the lever to control the airflow. Adjust the screw lightly, only if the lever tightens. Spray close to the surface to create finer and deeper colours. This is ideal for lines and finer detail. Spraying further away will create a faded effect. This is ideal for covering large areas. Technique 1. Ombre effect. Hold the airbrush at required distance until the depth of colour is achieved. Alter speed and distance to create desired effect. Relayer the colour if needed to enhance the effect. Technique 2. Masking. Rip, tear or cut paper or card to create a required design or stencil. Alternating the position of the paper intermittently and spraying on the torn edge of the paper. This technique is suitable for scenery and creating depth of field. A skewer can be used to hold smaller shapes in position. Reposition and overlap the paper to build the effect. Technique 3. Blocking. Create different shapes from using paste and place on top of the surface. Spray from a distance. Technique 4. Lines for added detail. For dots, gently pull the lever and release in short bursts. To create lines, pull and hold the lever as you move along the surface. Alter the width of dots and lines by adjusting distance and pressure. We have placed our cake on a turntable covered in kitchen towel. This will help to keep the area clean. Firmly push a circular piece of fresh sugar paste onto the cake to block the area. No need to use any sugar glue. Later, we will airbrush this area in yellow for the sunshine. Make your clouds by adding a skewer. This will keep your hands clean and offer easy control of repositioning when masking the chosen area. When you have airbrushed your clouds, remove the circle of sugar paste. From a distance, softly airbrush yellow colour for the sun. Follow this by a light spray of red. This will add a lovely orange glow. We made a simple wave effect stencil and secured this in place with masking tape. Softly airbrush the top edge of the stencil. Create extra waves by lifting and repositioning the stencil before airbrushing a second time. Add areas of lime green at random around the base of the cake. Create air bubbles by using the blocking technique. Using smaller amounts of paste will decrease the bubble size. Again, do not use any glue. Airbrush colour over the top. Use a triangular shape to build up colour intermittently and create depth of field. Airbrush lines from the base of the cake upwards. Vary the height of the lines and gently move left to right while spraying to encourage the impression of movement. We began with lime green and then oversprayed with leaf green to complete the effect. Practice different speeds and distances for enhanced creativity. Remove the bubbles of sugar paste. We created a seabed effect with softly airbrushed yellow, oversprayed with red. Add further texture by using the masking technique and gradually build colour up until the desired effect is reached. Use your airbrush to complete additional pieces in a variety of colours. Position the cake base in order to allow for additional decorations. Attach a variety of pre-coloured and airbrush fish in position. Gold airbrush colour has been used to highlight the sun rays and the fish tails. Here are a variety of very differently completed cakes to inspire and encourage you to be big, brave and bold in your techniques and use of your airbrush. Happy airbrushing and have fun!